Yeah, that's a good performance from Atish. I request for the next match one player. Okay, already we are one player. I request one extra player represented from Team Evren with the scorer. The next match now coming up, BCOG versus Evren.
Okay, before we start this, a very important announcement for all the teams here. Guys, let's respect the time for everybody. We've got a limited time for this turf, and unfortunately, we were not able to go ahead with the last match yesterday. It is all in your hand. Just a request to everybody. Let's save the time and let's make every match happen on this turf. Thank you.
Okay, here we go. Good start. Single. तो सभी का एक बार जोरदार स्वागत है. अच्छे से फ्लिक कर दिया स्क्वायर की दिशा में, एक रन चुराया. So hello and welcome back once again to the Brookfield Premier League 2025. Day 2 is on and second match now between Evren versus BCOG. News from the center. Brookfield Gladiators, BCOG, won the toss, selected to field first. They invited Team Evren to bat first, and that's a good comeback from Salil. The first two runs, single, single, and now dot ball. Salil in the bowling, Akash and Vishal, the opening pair. Excellent. His bowling very smart, very straight into the stumps, not giving the batsman much room to play. And that's what the quality of the bowler. If you bowl middle of the stumps, then no option is left for the batter just to flick. Only option going down the track, going across, going down the track will be the option. Let's see now what the strategy from team Evren. Oh wow, excellent work at the point region. But they are taking a single run. फील्डिंग भारी पर रनिंग भी लई भारी. 5 गेंद 4 रन टीम एवरन. Last ball of the first. In the air. Picked up nicely. Looking for two, sent back. Good start from Salil. मात्र 5 रन दिए है पहले ओवर. एक ओवर के बाद 5 रन, कोई विकेट नहीं टीम एवरन. Let's see, it's time for team Brookfield Gladiators. Need to come back. Wow, what excellent color. Men in white, Team Evren. And Brookfield Gladiators. Let's see, cut away nicely, straight to the field at covers. Good stop. Wow, good stop. Excellent stop there. आठ रन, कोई विकेट नहीं. टीम एवरन. Straight to the field, bit of misfield, but only a single. They're rotating the strike. So that's a good strategy. They are understanding the bowling line and length conditions. And then they will go for some big hittings. Let's see. The opening pair, Vishal and Akash. This is excellent bowling from Mr. Iyer. Umpiring, that's outside the off-jump line for wide. Umpire Mr. Siddesh there. This is much clever bowling. That's good bowling from Iyer ji. क्या बात है, अच्छी bowling, अच्छा comeback किया है. इन्होंने भी 5 रन दिए हैं, पहला और 5 रन, अब तक 5 रन इस ओवर के आखिरी गेंद. Excellent bowling. First over 5 runs, second over 5 runs, that's 10 runs. 2 ओवर के बाद 10 रन, कोई विकेट नहीं. And it's like Manish looking to swing the bat. Manish कोई एक टीम में जाना चाहेंगे.
So which is your favorite with batting, bowling or fielding?
Every unit. All rounder बनना है. That's hit hard straight for a single.
Very nice bowling.
So Manish, what is your favorite? The next question, same question to you.
Of course, जब मैं छोटा था मैं बैट लेके जाता था और मैं सिर्फ बैटिंग करता था और मैं बोलता था कि ये मेरी बैट है तो पहले बैटिंग मैं करूँगा. And I used to have the leverage of 3 wickets. Okay, कुछ हो रहा था वहाँ पर, कुछ हुआ है, कुछ बेहतरीन हुआ है. So I was one of those players, bro, like, you know, who doesn't know the cricket, but then who has an enthusiasm, the excitement, that inquisitiveness, that curiosity for this game.
Okay, back in the match.
Well, that's a late cut. Just learning cricket a little bit.
Yeah, that's smartly played and single run taken at point. Chinmay Patil, the new bowler. And look at Manish's bowling style, that the expertise and the experience shows in the tennis cricket.
Of course. Patil Sahab hai hamare. Patil Sahab Zindabad. Full power to him. What a stance, man. What a stance.
He's got that outside edge and that's gone. Behind that, a fantastic made the 22 yards banner of the Brookfield. So just 4 runs, a very good start from a team Brookfield Gladiators. That's what the reason they decided to bowl first. Wow, wow, wow. Excellent bowling. Just looking like a wow, excellent bowling performance. 3 ओवर के बाद 14 रन, कोई विकेट नहीं. Team Evren, let's see. Need to come back with strong intent. Vishal and Akash. अभी मैच खत्म हुआ नहीं है, पिक्चर बाकी है, बहुत कुछ बाकी है, एक्साइटमेंट बाकी है. ब्रुकफील्ड प्रीमियर लीग 2025 Season 5, day 2 is on. The new bowler coming up with 369 number jersey. That's going outside the off-jump line for wide. $15 on the board. We have Anand Dubey. Dubey ji aaye hai. Back-to-back wides is trying to bowl that a bit of pace. Maybe he can try a simple bowl to bowl. Let's see what he can do. A comeback. That's once again lost his momentum in the beginning of the over. That the hat-trick wides from Dubey ji. This time down the leg side. Let's see what the message to Dubey, Anand Dubey. Back-to-back 4 wides. That's gone high in the air. No fielder there. One bounce to the fielder. That's very good comeback from Dubey. Now it's time to, let's see if we can restrict 5 runs of the over. So far, one only ball bowled. First ball for a single. ओहो ये है कम बैक. हम बात कर रहे थे कम बैक करेंगे और कर दिया है. विकेट की पतन. So it's like you have the story and the lesson to be learned here. Instant. पहले 4 वाइड, फिर सिंगल और फिर विकेट. क्या है अजब गजब क्रिकेट. वाह भाई वाह. कमाल कर दिया. धमाल कर दिया. बैट्समैन को बेहाल कर दिया है. हार मानी नहीं है. This is the intent. Excellent bowling. And he's looking to play that covers. He's got the outside edge and the keeper makes no mistake. Rahul Gandhi, क्या बात है. Caught behind. We are the left-hand batsman. Oh, we have the new batter, Shagun. We are seeing a first left-hand lady batter. क्या बात है. Captain. Oh, yes, indeed. She's a captain. क्या बात. Yes. Good to see. Good to see. But यहाँ पर विकेट की पतन. बातचीत में यहां पर मिला है विकेट. 19 पे 2, 3.4. टीम एवरन दे स्ट्रगलिंग बट लेट्स सी. बट गुड कमबैक आनंद दुबे. क्या बात है. 2 विकेट लेने में कामयाब. दैट्स द कमबैक बाय आनंद दुबे. न्यू बैटर भार्गव. एक्सीलेंट बॉलिंग. Coming up the last ball of the 4th over. 19 पे 2 team Avron. Oh, in fact, that's end of the over. Oh, my bad, my bad. 4 ओवर के बाद 19 पे 2 टीम एवरन. That's the batting power play. Only one fielder allowed at the boundary line. 4 ओवर 19 पे 2. Brookfield Premier League 2025 Season 5 Day 2 Match number 2. We have the umpire Siddesh and Rohit at the square leg. Down the track, high in the air, chance for the catch. Oh, what happened there? Yes, he has taken that. One more wicket fall here. Team Everton looking to play for big one, but went very high and good catch. Here you can see on the big screen the action replay in ultra slow motion. Looking to play across the line, that went high and इसने छोड़ा और उसने ही पकड़ लिया. Taken at the second attempt and gone. So Anand Dubey has taken that. Excellent bowling, pressurizing team Brookfield Gladiators. That's what they got the bowling first, and they're doing the fantastic job on the field. Rohan Ghosh, the new batter coming at number 5. That's a win for dot ball. That went for dot ball. 20 for 3 after 4.4. Brookfield Gladiators dugout is having a good time, and what happened there? Excellent bowling. So no rule of leg by runs. Only will be the dot ball counted. So the score is 20 for 3. Last ball of the 5th over coming up. Salil. Only 6 runs conceded in 1.5. Straight to the fielder. Direct hit. Kya baat hai? Third umpire referred. Direct hit and the non-striker stumps. Chance for the one more wicket. What a good performance this is from Brookfield Gladiators. But still have the chance. They have, after this, 2 overs left. We have seen the first match. The team Clean Max was looking disturbed, but वो comeback होता है, comeback करना चाहिए. अब देखना होगा. Team Everton भी comeback कर सकती है. They need a big over. They need a big over coming up. And let's see what the third umpire will decide for that run out referred by the umpire Siddesh. Yeah, you can see on the big screen it's OUT. Yes, it's OUT out. Very good throw. 20 for 4. 5 ओवर के बाद 20 पे 4. अब किसकी होगी जीत और किसकी होगी हार? खटक. 5 ओवर के बाद 20 पे 4. रोहन और now we have Jaimini. Jaimini Das joining. Look at the bowling. Look at the line and length. मिडिल स्टंप पे रखा है, मौका नहीं दिया है. यहां पर 2 रन लेंगे, जरूर देखना होगा. अच्छी रनिंग बिटवीन द विकेट्स. अब कोशिश करेंगे टीम एवरन, हार मानी नहीं है, अभी भी मौका है एक बड़ा टारगेट सेटअप करने का, और यही ओवर है इस मैच में, द सेकेंड लास्ट ओवर. They can get at least reach till 30, so they can get 40 plus in the last over. Let's see. Off the mark with a couple of runs first ball. Okay, settle down, settle down. Team Brookfield Gladiators, thank you very much. Yes, that's a bit of a change in the bowling line and length. Bit of slow release, and that's confused the batsman totally. He played that late cut shot for a single at point. 23 पे 4 हुआ score. And it's important to rotate the strike, and that's what Team Everton has done. Swing and a miss. Looking to play across the line. Looking to play at the square leg mid wicket region. Completely missed it. That's played straight at the long off region. Direct hit could be the chance. Only a single. Oh, that was just bit of reach. कैच का सपना टूटा था, लेकिन रनआउट का सपना नहीं टूटा है, और एक विकेट की पतन. That's a good presence of mind by the fielder. And yes, one more wicket fall. Team Everton lose this fifth wicket. 24 पे 5.5 Team Everton. Salil Kamdade, the fielder at short cover, running and hitting on the non-striker stumps. Oh, that's a slow release. पूरी तरह से confuse कर दिया है बैट्समैन को. Good bowling. Is that the end of the over? Okay, we have Pooja to bowl the last over of this innings. First ball, single run. Yes, look at the strategy. Oh, no, she dropped it. She having a small run up. And yes, मौका था यहाँ पर, लेकिन किस्मत का साथ यहाँ पे टीम एवरन. Good to see Pooja. Excellent bowling once again in the air, just for the fielder. Will they come back for two? Going for two, chance for the run out in a non-striker end. But he didn't collect that ball. 2 runs taken. अब जितने runs आएंगे उतना यहाँ पर कोशिश करेंगे टीम एवरन. Once एक को डबल, डबल को 4, 4 को 6. देखना होगा आखिरी 4 गेंद पहली पारी, जगह बनाई, खेल दिया है हवा में गेंद, मौका है, will they come back for 2 and yes, let's see, oh Pooja, she didn't collect, could be the chance for the run out. Last 2 balls, 30 for 5. Let's see. Gyanindu and Rohan. That's gone very much high in the air and well taken there. The 16 number jersey. Good catch taken running from that, almost that 10 meters of running. And very surprising to watch, long on fielder, long off की तरफ आ रहे हैं कैच पकड़ने. क्या बात है, अय्यर जी ने कैच को लपक लिया है. 30 पे 6, अब आखिरी गेंद इस पहली पारी. Pooja, last ball of the first innings, straight will go for 2 for sure because the last ball, and what's the umpire's call? Is that out? Yes, given. So last ball single run. 7 over 31 and the target will be for Brookfield Gladiators will be 32. Yes, 7 ओवर 31 पे 7. टॉस जीतने के बाद ब्रुकफील्ड ग्लेडिएटर्स ने यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं ऑन द बिग स्क्रीन दैट द स्कोर कार्ड, ऑल द सिंगल डिजिट्स, बिकॉज गुड बॉलिंग परफॉर्मेंस फ्रॉम ब्रुकफील्ड ग्लेडिएटर्स. 6 एक्स्ट्राज आए हैं, 4.43 द रन रेट, 31 for 7. Akash is the top scorer, 8 runs, 5 and 3-3-5. तो हौले हौले धीरे धीरे एक एक रन जोड़कर एक टारगेट बनाया 32 का. बॉलिंग की अगर बात करेंगे, Shiva sir is super excited. 7 number jersey, Shiva for a reason. For the last match of this today's day 2. So 32 रन की दरकार, देखना होगा आज किसकी सरकार है. We'll take a short break and come back soon. No break नहीं है क्योंकि यहाँ पर समय थोड़ा slow. We are just, can we have speed up fast, please? Can we speed up fast, please? We can send the batsman
All right.
earlier. Okay, over to you, Manish.
What's up, guys? How's it going here? All right, moving on to the toss ka boss. What an inning that was. What a game played by Team Evren. Invincible energy. Moving on to the next. Moving for the toss ka boss, may I request Chaitali from Altius to please join us. Hello, how you doing? High five.
Great.
How you liking this tournament?
It's lovely. Amazing.
So now we are moving ahead for the toss ka boss. I'll be calling the captains of both the team. May I request the captain of Team Leela to please join us, Priyesh Bhai. And may I request the captain of Team Altius, Atul Jadhav. Team Altius Warrior captain. She's excited. Okay. So, were you there last year as well? So, how you liking this? If you can just tell me.
Very nice, very energetic. Like every player I see from Altius or Leela, you know, they are all in full josh.
Do you play cricket?
No,
But if you can just tell me which is your favorite bit, batting, bowling, or fielding?
Batting.
Everybody loves that. So who's your favorite Indian player?
Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
I was asking about the women's team.
Women's team, no, I did not. Smriti Mandana, but I did not actually see because I was handling the two little players in my house.
Oh, that's really tough. That's again a big game that you play at home also. यार वो बड़ा ही responsibility वाला काम है. Moving on to the next, we've got Priyesh bhai, we've got Atul bhai. So you know the sides. Who gonna give the call? Please tell me. Okay. Okay. Okay, we that's how we do it. We got it. Perfect. Let's go that way. So who's gonna give the call? Please tell me. Priyesh bhai, you'll give the call? Yeah. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Tails is the call and tails it is. Congratulations. This is turning out good to be. Thank you so much, Chaitali. Can we have a big hand for Chaitali, everybody? Talia ho jaye. What do you like to go for, man?
First of all, team, I won the toss.
Finally, after so many matches in the last season.
Yeah, I know. You know, I was just waiting for to win one of the toss because of course yesterday also we lost the toss, but happy that I won the toss. I would like to bowl first, right? Nothing. We are not thinking about the yesterday's game. What happened? Of course, we want to start fresh again, and we want to just restrict them to the lowest total.
Thank you so much. So you're going to bowl first. Great. And just now I could see there is a wicket coming up. The opener is going back to the pavilion. Thank you so much. Congratulations. I hope you play a good cricket. अगर आप जीते तो क्या लेते मेरे भाई?
Ball.
आज तो थोड़ा सा निराशा है.
Yeah, we lost the 2 matches.
But बहुत अच्छा मैच था मेरे भाई पिछला. And all the best. I hope you guys just show us a good cricket once again. Thank you. All the best. Thank you. Moving on to the next match is going really good. Moving on to the com box to my brother Mitesh.
Thank you, Manish. You're having a good time. Yes. Coming back in the match. That's a target of 32 to chase. And this time, what happening there? What is happening there? And indeed, what happened there? Let's see. A single by Pooja. Yes, that's they are applauding Pooja for that first ball. Yes. क्या बात है पहले ball, पहला single. Prathamesh now will take strike. Will face the first ball. So every run, that's the cheers and that's the strategy, that excitement from the dugout we are watching here. Good comeback. Block hole. Now back Pooja on strike. 4 गेंद 2 पर 1. Brookfield Gladiators 30 to get from 38. Not a big target, but they will. Let's see. High in the air and just a very simple catch. Pooja will get 2 runs because she scored 1, so she will get double runs. So she will get the 2 runs on the board, so it will be, the score will be 3 for 1. Pooja departs. Look at the smile on her face. क्या बात है, क्या बात है. Runs बनाए हैं. Every run counts. Every run counts. Very well played. That will add 2 runs on the board. 5 गेंद 2 पे 2. अब चिन्मय पाटिल बल्लेबाजी करने आए हैं. 2 ओवर 8 रन उन्होंने बॉलिंग की थी. अब बैटिंग में कुछ कमाल करेंगे. ओ ओ ओ ओ नहीं, यहां पर विशाल ने कर दिया है आउट. टोटली बीट हो गए. कोशिश जरूर की थी चिन्मय ने उसको बड़े शॉट मारने की, लेकिन इट्स लाइक दैट इनसाइड एज. इज दैट इनसाइड एज एंड हिटिंग ऑन द लेग स्टंप. Disappointment, yeah, disappointment. Brookfield Gladiators need to come back with strong. We need to come back with something good intent. एक ओवर के बाद 2 पे 3 ब्रुकफील्ड ग्लेडिएटर्स 36 गेंदों में 30 रन की दरकार है. Team Evran 31, but look at the confidence of bowling in the first over where Vishal 2 runs only conceded, 3 runs, 3 wickets taken. Wow, क्या बात है. This time straight to the field at square leg, but they will take a single. स्कोर है 3 पर 3. अब एक एक रन जोड़ के इस पारी को देखना होगा. ब्रुकफील्ड ग्लेडिएटर्स क्या चेस करेगी. Oh, this is very similar bowling style of one of the fantastic cricketer we have. Saurav Ganguly style, yes, similar style of bowling. क्या लगता है दोस्तों, ऐसा ही कुछ है बॉलिंग स्टाइल. यस, इन्होंने सौरव गांगुली की याद दिला दी है. एंड दैट्स गॉन वेरी मच हाई इन द एयर. बट हाउ मेनी रन एज पर द रूल बुक? 2 runs. So there is some zone that we have declared of 1 run and 2 runs. 6 and 4 you need to play a straight, long off, long on. 27 रन की दरकार, 33 गेंद है बाकी. देखना होगा कौन बनेगा इस मैच का बाजीगर, कौन बनेगा मुकद्दर का सिकंदर. Oh. He thought the ball will go down the leg side, but hitting on his body. And good bowling there from Rohan. क्या बात है रोहन. Oh, that's once again trying to defend Team Evran. क्या बात है, क्या कॉन्फिडेंस देखिए. 31 है तो क्या हुआ, कर लेंगे डिफेंड. पर ब्रुकफील्ड ग्लेडिएटर्स विल से पिक्चर बाकी है, रुको. Oh, that's a slow one. Wow. Variations. Stock market ऊपर नीचे. And what they're referring, what they're having a question to the umpire. What's the discussion going on? फिलहाल 1.5 5 पे 3 है स्कोर. So 2 overs gone, it's 5 for 3 and 27 to get from 30 balls for Brookfield Gladiators. Short pitch ball high in the air, 1 bounce to the fielder. सेफ लैंडिंग, ओनली अ सिंगल. मैच को बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग बना दिया दोनों टीम ने, ब्रुकफील्ड ग्लेडिएटर्स एंड टीम एवरन. अभी भी कंक्लूजन नहीं है कौन जीतेगा. Six for 3. Swing and a miss. Looking to connect. Oh, that's dead ball called by the umpire. Dead ball. क्या हो गया? Not an issue. Plays on. 6 for 3 after 2.1. 26 रन और 29 गेंद. Excellent bowling here. Fuller length टोटली यहाँ पर क्रीज पर इस गेंद को अच्छे से पिच कर दिया है ज्ञानेंदु द बॉलर। टीम एवरन, क्या बात है, अच्छी बॉलिंग कर रहे हैं। That's uppercut. Only a single. Waited for the ball, going back for an uppercut shot over the fielder at the point region. So they are like singles. No need for 6 and 4. They can get it with the single. That's a runner ball only. It's 27 from 25. Oh, what happened there? क्या बात है, देखिए एनर्जी लेवल देखिए, and look at the sportsmanship. That's what needed. Yeah, yes. Single run, 8 for 3 after 2.4. 24 रन की जरूरत, 26 गेंद. One big hit can make the big impact. Ooh, excellent bowling. Wow. What a beauty of a delivery from Gyanendu. Just missing the stumps. Very lucky there, Anand. Just consider 3 runs. Very good bowling from Gyanendu. इस बार जोरदार प्रहार, लॉन्ग ऑफ के फील्डर रोक देंगे। ओहो, यहाँ पर क्या हो गया, थोड़े से मिसफील्ड, नजर हटी, दुर्घटना घटी। 2 रन मिला है, ओवर की समाप्ति। 3 ओवर के बाद 10 पे 3। ब्रुकफील्ड ग्लैडिएटर्स 24 गेंदों में 22 रन की दरकार। तीन ओवर के बाद 10 पे 3, टारगेट ऑफ 32 टू चेस फॉर ब्रुकफील्ड ग्लैडिएटर्स। Oh, inside edge, lucky there. Was not hitting the stumps. Is looking to play a cut shot, a slice cut, late cut, whatever you say. But both teams are looking very tough here. That's played, smashed at leg side. They need to run. Single they taken. $11 for 3. It's a runner ball for Brookfield Gladiators. 21 to get from 22. Very easy, they can get this, and they're doing the perfect job right now. Anand and Prathamesh. They're not going for big ones. No risk. Only simple. This is sensible batting, just flicking that towards onside for single. The score is now 15 for 3. That's end of the 4. 4 ओवर के बाद 15 पे 3 और 17 रन की दरकार 18 गेंदों में. You're watching the fantastic atmosphere here. All the players are excited. ब्लास्टर शिवा सर की बेहतरीन प्रैक्टिस चल रही है. लगता है 6 बॉल 6 6 मारेंगे. He's having a fielding practice. All the practice is going on. Warm up चल रहा है. Team Avron, Team Brookfield Gladiators. Let's see कौन बनेगा बाजीगर. 17 to get from 18 balls. It's all happening here at the Brookfield Premier League 2025. Day 2 is on. Oh, that's played. Let's see if they can come back for 2. Yes, मिला मौका. मारा यहाँ पर 2 रन लिया है. चौका नहीं. Prathamesh and Anand, let's see. See, very good batting. अब देखिए 15 रन ही चाहिए 17 गेंदों में. प्रथमेश और आनंद, पेशेंस लेवल इंपॉर्टेंट है. एंड इंपॉर्टेंट दैट स्ट्राइक रेट रोटेट कर रहे थे. ओ हो बॉलिंग लकी, just missing. See the luck factor of Brookfield Gladiators. कितना luck factor लेके आए हैं, क्या बात है. That's being smashed for a single. Yes, partnership 16 of 22, and that's we can call the winning partnership. Let's see, but Team Avron अब तक हार नहीं मानेंगे. ऐसा कैसे जाने देंगे मैच को. ब्लॉक होल में गेंद स्टॉप करने की कोशिश. वहां पे गुड एफर्ट. वाओ, मिड ऑफ फील्ड कमिंग स्ट्रेट एंड वाओ, गुड स्टॉप एंड quick reflexes by the fielder there to hitting on the non-striker stumps. वाओ, एनर्जी पावर देखिए, यही तो है ब्यूटी ऑफ क्रिकेट. 13 रन और 13 गेंद बचे. That's gone high in the air. Good stop. What an effort by the fielder there. Wow. 2 रन यहां पर लेंगे. एक्सीलेंट स्टॉप. 2 रन बचाई है अपने टीम के लिए. क्या बात है, क्या फील्डिंग की है. इन्होंने जॉन्टी रॉड्स की याद दिला दी. 5 ओवर के बाद 20 पे 3. इट्स 12 runs and 12 balls. रन अ बॉल फॉर ब्रुकफील्ड ग्लैडिएटर्स. पॉसिबल है, बट टीम एवरन बोलेंगे रुको, अभी मैच बाकी है, रात बाकी है, बात बाकी है. That's gone high in the air. Chance. Oh नहीं, यहाँ पर संभालिए. 6 रन मिलेंगे. ब्रूकफील्ड ग्लैडिएटर्स को जल्दी काम खत्म करना है और नाश्ता करने जाने का है. 4 रन 4 रन और 4 रन की दरकार है. क्या एक बड़ा हिट और मैच को कर देंगे सुपर हिट. यस, बिल्कुल सुपर हिट कर दिया है. मार दिया 6, माइंड में किया था फिक्स. लेट्स सी, 4 to get. Played at covers. Will they come back for 2? A bit of what happened there? 4 रन और इसी के साथ इस मैच को जीत लिया है. Make some noise for Brookfield Gladiators. Wow, Manish, what an excited, what a way to end of the match. 4 रन, 4 मारा है
He's
और
got his
मैच
style,
खत्म.
man. Yeah. Moving on to the presentation area. May I request Team Brookfield Gladiators to please join us at the presentation area.